Hi, in this video we're going to show you a free browser extension you could use to add custom buttons to your Gmail emails. So that way when somebody clicks on that button after you send them the email, it'll take them to whatever site was configured for that button. Alright, so it's called a Gmail button by cloudHQ. Alright, so cloudHQ makes all kinds of extensions and apps for your browsers and especially for Gmail. So once you install the extension, just like any other extension, you go back to your email here. When you do a new email, let's say we're going to send this to Cindy. Right, put in your text or whatever. And then here at the bottom by the send button, you have this insert button option here. You can insert a table too if you want to check out that feature, but we're just going to discuss the button feature for this video. All right, so now you could put in whatever text you like. So I have this website here, and you could add the text for the button. Like so. You could change the color of the button if you want. Change the text color, change the background, the border size, the radius. And you could cycle between the other one that you had before. So once you have it looking the way you want, just click on Insert into Email, and we'll send this off. All right, then we'll go over to Cindy's email and check it out. All right, there it is. So then we have our button with the text, and if we click on it, it takes us right to the website that was configured for that button. Simple as that. All right, so once again, just go ahead and install the Gmail button by cloudHQ extension. So I'll put a link in the description for that. And then once that's done, when you compose a new email, click on the little insert button icon here, click button, change your text, change your URL, make any changes to how you want your button to look, insert it, and that's all you need to do. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.